Hey guys, today we're going to be making a squishy. All you need is shaving cream, tape, and plastic wrap. First, you're going to cut it. And then what you're going to do is make sure it's flat. And then grab the shaving cream and add not too much. And then what you're going to do is you're going to fold it. Like this. And then you're going to use tape to tape it. Make sure nothing comes out. It has to be all taped up. Almost done. And then this is how you make the squishy. Then it's just like a squishy. And then you can draw faces too. Bye guys.